You ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be building this Lego Overwatch, and at the end, I'm gonna tell you guys some juicy information about the game and also about the Lego set. Let's begin. Don't forget, guys. We need the pack of. It can also turn into this.
So your instructions. This is quite a set here. 730 pieces.
700. That's a big amount. Now let's get into it.
All right. What pack do we need first?
Pack 1, definitely. I'm going to open up this bad boy over here. Oh wait, are you starting? Oh wait, I'm gonna start on this guy already building what?
You're gonna make Winston?
Winston already.
Alright, go for it.
But wait. Okay.
That's pack 4?
Pack 4, okay. Let me see. Pack 2. Pack.
Wait, you need pack 1 and pack 2 for Winston. Like this.
Pack 1.
No. You need pack 4 for Winston. I'm wrong.
4.
Alright, let's get in order here.
Okay. So I'm gonna be opening up this part right here because first of all I just want to get Winston out of the way, and Ian has the other parts to Winston. So let's move on.
So wait, are there instructions inside each of these individual packs? Because this is just like, hey, it's there and it's done.
Starting with pack 1, okay.
Do I not know how to build Legos?
Huh? What was it saying?
I was saying, do I not know how to build Legos?
Or what?
Oh wait, here are the instructions. They come after. That makes sense.
This is so hard!
Alright.
Use something that object that can actually go through stuff, and then boom.
Use tools around you. Work smarter, not harder.
That's a fun thing. Okay, so while we're getting all this stuff situated, I will be telling you about a little bit about what their abilities are for. First one, Winston's ability, which I'm unpackaging already. So, if I can ever find it, if we could get them.
Look. Hey, if you elbow me in the face, there you go.
Thank you. Anyways, so Winston's ability is that he has like a little, he can, these hands, he got hands, and
You put the other way, put the square, put this.
Okay, I got it. So, Winston's ability, first, he can do this. He can jump and then smash onto the ground like Hulk. And next, he can also, he has like a little thing that he holds around to, not spray, but like to electrocute the player. Oh, I need one. So we're also doing this in separate, so after, if one person actually like...
Hey, so be careful about not getting all of the pieces mixed up on the table at once.
So we need to...
Keep the bags separated.
So we need to actually like scoot it a little. So I'm going to be opening up the character bag, if you see right here. So I'm going to be building Mercy right here.
And I am working on the base of the ship for watchpoint Gibraltar, the launch pad, I believe.
Who the crap is this? It's not Mercy.
That looks like Farrah.
No, just look, see?
Oh, look. Is that not fair? No, it's not. Let's see.
And that can be Mercy as well. Wait, that is Mercy.
Yeah, gotta be. Looks strange without the rest of her gear.
Did you see what I did? I did this. I did the split on her. I was like,
Whoops.
whoopsie daisies. I didn't mean to do that. Anyways, I need to find the body, so. BRB? Okay, not BRB, but.
What am I looking for?
I don't know what you're looking for, but I'm looking for something that can. Whoa, look at this!
Hey, wait, why are we opening another pack?
Because this includes level 1. This is level 1 as well. But that's the character. Because I don't know where the body is.
Okay.
So it's gotta be in that one.
Yeah? Yep, there it is, okay. Okay, so I'll have to keep these separated between 4 and 1. Hey, when you have your trash, you can put it out of the way. We'll clean that up when we're done.
So next, so his ultimate, Winston, is he goes rage and he has 0 weapons and he just swings his hands getting on the people. Psych, not really. Getting on, like, he swings his hands side to side to basically like try to damage them a little. Well, damage them a lot. And his health turns into, I think, 50 to 1,000 actually, I think. Because their health is at hundreds, but then he can turn to 1,000.
So he gets a big health boost?
Yes.
Okay.
He gets a big health boost to operate and also defeat the crap out of his enemies. And there's also a game mode right now. I don't know when it goes. I think end of Christmas, but it is Yeti Hunt, which you have to be made, and there's you're hunters, so you have to go through to act. Sorry, I'm saying actually, but to able to get.
So you play as a group of maze.
Yes, and then you
and
try.
You're hunting a Winston.
Because I don't know why the crap you're even doing that, but anyways.
Because he's the Yeti.
Yeah, but they don't want to hurt. But they can't hurt. Yeah. So I just need one other thing that, like. So Winston, but anyways, next. I'm not gonna be introducing May on this, so sorry I just said May, but that was just a bonus thing that I'm gonna say.
Hey, you don't have to keep talking the whole time. Talk if you have something to say, alright?
So next, I'm going to be Mercy is the next one I'm gonna be talking to, and which is this one. Oh, yay! Anyways. So Mercy is the one. You need help?
Yeah, this is pieces.
So she can glide like a guardian angel, and she has wings. And yeah, so she can fly. She is an angel, so she flies by. She flies by like her wings, and that's what I'm talking about. Anyways, and her ultimate is she like heals all her teammates that are in like the range with her. So there's like a specific range. If you're near teammates, they automatically get healed, and if they get, and they would automatically get revived.
But that's
her ultimate.
That's Mercy's ultimate? Is
Yeah.
it automatic revive?
it automatic revives. But you have to be near the person to actually automatic revive. Well, it does like the reviving thing, but also it does automatics. So we're gonna be building.
Oh, I'm going to have to start putting stickers on already.
I'm already trying to finish the character of.
You're trying to get the characters done?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get all these little pieces, and this is not
pretty
a
hard.
super easy pack, no.
It's pretty hard. We're doing this because it's fun, and also we also want to work on our building Lego things.
Abilities.
Thank you. So, yeah. We're gonna go silent for a moment because we need to concentrate. Here we go.
Alright, so now I have to build the same piece in reverse
Look.
order. What'd you get?
Fair done.
Fair is done?
Yep.
What does those little pieces on the back just stay like that?
Yeah. Look. Fair is done, guys. Oh, so this is actually her face. You have to do Winston as well in the back.
Yeah. Alright, we'll get them set up. Try and figure these guys out. Rich man. Nope. Nope. Jeez. Oh man, what bag had that pry tool in it? Oh, it's right here. Alright, girl.
Put it right here so we can
Share
actually.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sharing is caring, guys.
There you go. Alright.
Wings
Now,
are
let me do
almost
this
done.
thing right this time. This is getting old.
What do you mean, old?
I just keep messing it up. How? How am I doing
Okay.
that? Okay.
Mercy is now done. Woohoo! This is Mercy.
She looks pretty awesome.
Reaper is also in here. It's not only these two, so first I have to grab this. I'll grab the one piece. So.
Alright, I finally got my first piece built. I got it.
That's Winston.
Is that Winston? Oh, I'm building his jetpack right now?
Yeah.
Awesome. It was hard. Alright, we gotta keep going though. We're almost done with it. It needs a couple little boosters on it for him.
See, I know a lot of things that he's doing that he doesn't know, so.
You do know more about Overwatch than I.
Because a lot of times, now I don't, but a lot of times I used to like, I come and then we like, well,
take your time, think about it.
obviously I have to live here. So.
Why do you say it like that?
Because it's true.
This place is awesome and you know it.
Yeah, this place is awesome. Anyways, so I play a lot of Overwatch, but now we don't because we got a VR headset, which I hope we do a video on it.
We'll show you Beat Saber.
We're playing Beat Saber, y'all. Yeah, so Beat Saber is a good game. I hope we show you. If we don't show you, stare off into space. If we don't show you, then that's gonna be a never, because we are gonna show you. Because VR, if you don't have it, if we make a video, then it's your lucky day. Because
it's a pretty awesome system.
Yeah.
We can just say that. Look, check it out.
Winston is over. Now you have to build his little
He gets a little health jar.
You can build his little health jar. And also I don't know if he has a health jar or not. In the game he doesn't. We could totally agree about that.
That he doesn't have one in the game?
No, we do not have any in the game. We're playing Beat Saber.
I guess this is the little cat for it.
Okay.
It looks like it's
Okay.
gray. It can't be that blue one, right? No, here, it's gotta be this one.
Yup. Helping is good. Okay, that's good.
So that should fit in his hand, right? It looks like it's supposed to. Maybe not.
No.
Okay, well he can just have it by him. And he gets another weapon as well.
Well, that's not a weapon. So it's the electric thing that he has that he's carrying around. Ian, I think, knows almost little about Winston. Because he's saying health jar.
Winston is not my favorite character.
But your favorite character gotta be Lucio.
Lucio was my original favorite character. And now I like Symmetra a good bit too. She's pretty good.
Yeah, she spawns in these drone that they place it on the wall, and it has a little beam to.
It's like a turret.
Turret, yes.
Yeah.
If you know anything about turrets, say something about it, because I feel like I do and Ian doesn't.
I'm the one that told you it was a turret.
Okay.
Okay.
I kind of knew about that.
Uh-huh.
Okay. We need to get focusing, Ian.
Yeah, we do. Focus you.
It's every single 1 second we just go silent and then it comes back on. Hey.
Yeah, you don't have to talk just to talk. Only when you actually have something to say.
Okay. So Gibraltar. This is Point Gibraltar. I forgot to say this, but there's actually a game called Apex Legends. You can look it up, and it's actually a real game. It's for free for Xbox and PS4, I think, players. PC was original, but now it's gone. Don't know why. Because PC, I just really do not know. But because, I guess it's.
Do you prefer to play PC, Xbox, or PlayStation? What's your favorite system? Or Switch is a good one. Can't
All
forget
of them.
Nintendo. But if you had to pick one,
It's probably gonna be Xbox.
I think Xbox your favorite system? Why is that?
Because first of all, it has the controllers and the joysticks is pretty cool.
You like the controller better than the PlayStation?
To be fair, yes. Or to be obvious, yes.
Just to be truthful.
Yeah. Because a lot of times, if I was on PS4, I would probably be dominating on Overwatch if I was playing a lot of PS4, but now I'm dominating on Xbox, so not to hurt anyone's feelings.
So it's whichever system you're doing better at the time?
Yeah. You. To use and you're out. You. Okay, that was 2. That was actually 3. Anyways. So, I hope you guys like this so far, because I feel like I'm in the lead right now.
Oh, we're racing, are we?
No. I was just saying that because I'm already on the building and he's still on the gun.
You might be better at Legos than me. It's entirely possible. I did not.
We do a lot. I do a lot of Legos behind like the camera. I don't do them every single day, but if I had the choice of doing them, I would prefer doing them.
Yeah, we'll remember that.
But I also do want to hang out with my family, and families are most important, so don't forget them.
Very sweet.
And if you do, then I feel like that I'm not gonna love you anymore.
Ooh.
Well, kind of, because, okay, not love, but like, because they, like, you want to get used to family, and also you have to hang out with family, not trying to be dark for anything, but editor, please just put a dark screen.
Hey, remember, you don't have to say stuff just to say it.
But
We can, it's okay for us to be quiet. It's okay for us just to talk to each other.
I don't know.
Does that look right? For Winston?
Let me look.
I think so.
Flip it. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Now flip to the. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now you have to place it on Winston's hand, and
That's his weapon. It's like his little shock trooper weapon.
like the. You're saying. He's saying like Star Wars, but because shock troopers are like.
Shock trooper is totally a Star Wars reference.
But hey, we're
Right about
not judging Star Wars. We're just saying shock troopers.
Ooh.
Sorry about the barking if you didn't hear.
It's our dog Sophie. She's excited about something.
And I thought it was Roxy that was barking, but nope.
That sounds more like a Sophie bark to me.
Me too. Roxanne's our other dog. To be exact, he actually did get abandoned. Like, he was in the wild. He was about to get. This is a good way of saying dead, but oof. He was about to get oof, which means.
Yeah, we got it. Keep going.
And now he's living with us.
So we rescued him.
Well, okay. His friends actually found him in the wild. He found him behind, like, in the forest. So they took care of them. They got him. They immediately called when one person was when they got it. They got him. So they're like, okay, let's call these people.
Hey, telling a story.
Huh?
Slow down and think about what you're telling. Okay? So my friends found the dog. They called us. They wanted to know if we were able to take care of him because they didn't want to take him to the pound. So
We said, yup.
we said yes. We've been talking about maybe getting another friend for Sophie to play with. And
And it magically paired.
the timing was really convenient. And we kept a cute little puppy out of the pound. But now he's a big, cute puppy.
He would probably be oofed if we didn't take him.
Who knows?
I really know. Because by the exact time when we got there, we probably just took him. And we were like, oh, thanks, bye. We didn't be that rude, but like, I really wanted a cute puppy that I wanted like a pup because we saw other puppies, and convenient. I felt like one of them. I felt like he was one of them. So. What are you looking for?
Another piece like this one. Right there. Thank you. Unless I'm missing it right in front of me. Yep, here it is.
Oh wait, is it? Are these the same one? Wait, no. They have to be different. See, there's one like this and there's one like that. Is that one?
Yeah, that's
okay.
so that they both go out the same way on both sides. Alright, I just finished. No, I didn't.
I was about to, give me this. And also we have to place it right here, so.
Yep, fair enough. Alright, I just finished this page I'm working on.
I'm about to finish on this page. Well, not page.
Which ones you got left? Just doing the stickers on them?
Okay, this one?
No, I think. Hold on. I don't think that this was the right piece to put that sticker on.
You are.
Hold on, let me get it.
Right. Sorry guys, technical difficulties here.
Alright, there you go. And then you can look and see which one goes which way. Is it supposed to come out from the spaceship? Alright.
He's British.
British, but only today. So now that should match up with that wham bam ship bam ham, something like that.
He's British for today. He's like British.
For today's purposes, I will be British.
He's not British.
I'm a right proper Brit. That wasn't very British. All right.
That was like almost American weird way.
I mean, American English is like weird British. Pretty much.
No, but they're clear. Like, they talk like this. British! Sorry, we do not know a lot of
We're not good with words.
But we already know that.
You getting that one? You can only stick a limit of like 12 times, I think, so you're getting close.
Getting close to what?
Running out. Alright, so now would be a good time to...
Okay, guys. British. Okay, anyways, this is what we left off right here.
This is as far as we got in episode 1.
This is my ship that I'm building.
Working on the launch pad as well.
This is what it looks like on the top, the back,
Right.
the front, the back. This looks like almost a pickaxe.
Show them which characters we made.
We made Mercy, the flying angel. Farah, the warrior. The knight. The king.
King's Warrior? Warrior Princess? That's Xena, actually. Never mind. And we also have Winston.
Winston.
The Shock Trooper.
No, Winston the monkey. And we have... Give us like some ideas of what to call her. She's Farah, but we don't know what to call her. Like she's Angel. He's the monkey. We don't know what she is. Let's stop it right there, guys, and see you guys on next episode. Bye. Are you gonna pause it?